This is a 2020 GMC Sierra 3500 HD SLE Crew Cab Long Box 4-wheel drive with a 6.6-liter V8 engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, 373 rear axle, 11,500-pound GVWR, twin-tube rancho shocks, off-road suspension, hill descent control, skid plates, tow package with integrated brake controller, hitch guidance with hitch view, MPI custom dual exhaust for more horsepower and torque with better fuel economy. The truck only has 37,471 miles. Features include SLE package, X31 off-road package, dual zone climate control, touch screen Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, hands-free phone operation with HD rear vision camera, heated front seats, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, power heated towing mirrors, easy lift tailgate with power lock and release, keyless entry with remote start, alloy wheels, LED fog lamps. This is a one-owner truck and there are no accidents on the vehicle history report. The tires are in good condition and the truck runs and drives out great. The interior of the truck bed still looks new. It has the remainder of the 5-year, 60,000-mile factory warranty. The GMC has been inspected and serviced. We have a copy of the inspection and work performed, as well as a full vehicle history report. If you are looking for a low-mile, 1-ton, this is it. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana